Where's the ice cream, Jazzy? Where? Show me. That way?
Yeah. Come on.
Alright, go. Right, so we are in Gracebay. We are going to get ice cream for Jazier at Turkberry. It's now 6:44 p.m. in the night. Don't go too far, wait. Which way are you going now? This way, this way. This way. Go that way. Okay? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right here? It's right here? It's right here! Oh! It's right here! Yeah! You want Jazzy? Come, let me show you. Come. Look at that! Wow! Wow! Look at that!
What?
Wow! Vanilla and chocolate. Yes. What is that? Wow! Wow! No. Wow!
Wow!
Wow! Pretty.
Wow, pretty.
Yes.
Cookie.
Yes.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
You ready? Who is that boy? Eating ice cream? Yes. Yum, yum, yum. Alright guys, so Jazzy just finished his Turkberry ice cream and we're outside now, kinda chilling out. Turkberry.
Strawberries?
Yes, Turkberry.
Strawberry?
Yes. Goldsmith. Jewelry and all sort of stuff here. What are you doing? Come look. Jazzy. Playing time, you know, playing time. Watch it, watch it. This boy. This man. You see me? Alright, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Come, hold my hand, hold my hand. Hold my hand. Just, hello, hello, come. Right, so let me just give you a walk around Salt Mills Plaza. As you can see, that's a sign right there saying Salt Mills Plaza. Here's one right here as well. The Salt Mills. Yes. Yes. As you can see, it's a very nice plaza. They have royal jewels over there. Oh. Salt Mills Plaza located in Gracebay, Providenciales. As I was telling you, have all sort of gift shops and things like that. Yep. You have restaurants. There's a gym upstairs, so that's the gym upstairs. So anybody who live in the Gracebay area or close to Gracebay, you can come to this gym at the Salt Mills Plaza. Yes. What? tours.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
This is basically inside the plaza,
Come on.
right? In like inside part. So of course you have the parking lot. That way where? Island convenience. Huh? That's it.
Huh?
You okay?
Okay.
You enjoying the little what? Of course you have that little gazebo there in the middle.
Daddy!
Right there. That you could go and sit. Yes, that's here.
Where's Mommy? Mommy, bird, good house.
The what?
Good.
The what?
Come on. Come on. Prepare
Hmm?
for food.
Hmm?
I had a bush. I had a bush. I had a bush. I had a bush. Okay, then.
Men's casual and formal wear. Wow. Wow. Let us walk out here. Just go out here. Hey! So that we can show up the upstairs part. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Jazzy!
Yes, Daddy.
Eating sugar,
Yes, Daddy.
telling lies.
No, Daddy.
Open your mouth.
Ah.
I see sugar. Jazzy!
Yes, Daddy.
Walking on the road.
Yes, Daddy.
And here's the police station. Police station here in Gracebay. Right there. Right there. It's a police station. Hello, that you want me to do, let you go so you can go and run up. But I can't let you go because it's a parking lot as well. And you will. So it basically ends down there through that street. Stand up. Basically. So this car is basically exiting, as you can see. So the plaza actually ends right there, and of course, so and then you have this side now. So we walk around that side. So we're going. You have this side. Right? So basically, this is Salt Mills Plaza. Yes, Jazzy!
Yes. Daddy.
Oh, and I wanted to show you something as well. Make me show you something. So let me walk around this side as well. So normally, like for those people who like new on the island, like for example, if you get a job here in the Turks and Caicos Islands, when you come, you have to sort out your NIB or NHIB, that's national insurance, and your health insurance as well. So I'm going to show you where NHIB is, right? Up. So NHIB is right here. Let me show you. Of course, you have the elevator right there. So NHIB is right there. Yes, so that is it. So let us we're going to go out on the road. Where are you? You are in Gracebay. Say Gracebay.
Listen.
Gracebay.
Whoa.
What? Oh, you see the star? Uh-huh. Up. So, this is basically the strip, right? And this is a nighttime view. I'll do another video during the daytime, so you see exactly what it's like. So this is Danny Buoys right here. Danny Buoys. Right to on your right. Here is Danny Buoys. So here it is. Danny Buoys. This is what they have to offer. Come. Okay. This is what inside looks like. Right? Hello. Yeah. It's a very nice spot. What is this? What is this? What is this? That's Danny Buoys. And that's Danny Buoys just here. Okay. Of course, today is a Monday. It's Monday and a Monday night. So there are not really many people walking about. So yeah. Right, so Shisha Lounge, as I was saying, Shisha Lounge is right down there. Alright, on your left, where you see those the lights blinking. Stand right here. Right, where you see the lights blinking down in the far view. That Shisha Lounge is right there. And then on your right, there is where the lights are on your right. There's a restaurant there as well. So right here is another restaurant. And then this lady is selling crafted items or craft items. Right? So when you come to the Turks and Caicos Islands, you will always see her right here selling all these customized craft items. Right? Yeah, I'm just giving him a night walk. I'm giving him a night walk. Yeah. Right. This is Boogaloos, right? Boogaloos. Oh, Castaway. Oh, the name changed, right? So people, the name changed from Boogaloos to Castaway. Thank you. So come, Papa. He's a boy. Yeah. And here you have some more stuff right here. Right? Wow, pretty. Yeah. And as you can see, it's nice. Right. Yeah. So the name is Castaways now. And yeah, it's a very nice environment. They have live band in the back playing. Right? Live band. Please wait to be seated. Right there. Live band in the back. Yep. Yeah. It's very nice. Yeah. So I'm just going to walk a little bit further. Want to go further, Papa? Okay, Jazir said yes. So let us go. So on that side you have Jay's. I think I did a video on the channel showing inside Jay's. Pizza right there. Come, you enjoying yourself, Papa? Yes? Pizza over there. Whoa. And of course, you have the Ritz Carlton up there. Over there. As you can see, that's Ritz Carlton right there. Wait, Papa. Stand right here, okay? Stand right here. Stand right here, please. Right there, Ritz Carlton. Good boy. They have Gracebay car rentals over there. So, so we're going to stop right here. Further up, let me just show you. Zoom up. There's that Christmas tree right there. I'm not going to go any further now. I'm just going to go back down to the car and just close out the video right here. So thank you for viewing as well. And as I said, this is a night view. I'll do a daytime view, walk around another time. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again in another video. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Jazir. Say, look, tell everybody. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good. Say please subscribe. Look, say subscribe. Yeah, subscribe down below. Say subscribe. Okay. Natasha, you touch it? Nice. Good job. Good job. Good move.